Hi, I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook chicken gratin.
For mashed potatoes, please see the description below. 1 kilo medium potatoes, peeled, cut into quarters. Place potatoes in a large casserole of boiling water. Make sure you have enough water to cover the potatoes. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover loosely and boil for 15 to 20 minutes or until potatoes break apart easily when pierced with a fork. Drain well. Mash potatoes with a fork or potato masher until no lumps remain. Add butter, add all-purpose cream, add salt and pepper, make potatoes smooth and creamy. Set it aside. For chicken filling, we need 4 cloves garlic, 1 medium onion, minced, 1 tablespoon butter, 500 grams of chicken fillet, 500 grams of mixed vegetable, optional, 1/4 cup of water or broth, 1 chicken cube, 3/4 cups of all-purpose cream, salt and pepper. Turner in a pan. Preheat your pan. Put the butter. Sauté onions and garlic. Add chicken fillet, add water, add chicken cube, Add salt and pepper. Cook your chicken for 45 minutes to 1 hour. When the chicken is cooked, add the mixed vegetables. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add all-purpose cream, simmer again for 5 minutes. Mix it until well blended. Put half of the mashed potato on the base of your baking dish. Arrange the chicken fillet. Add the rest of the mashed potato on top. Add the cheese topping. Bake on a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese is golden brown. Our finished product, chicken gratin.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.